Well, thank you for joining me on this question. I'm going to look at question 10. It says two events, X and Y, such that. Now, I'm going to draw a little Venn diagram because maybe they overlap. I'm going to call this set X, this set Y. And probability, what are we told? We're told the probability of X is equal to 0.6. Now, X is simply that blue part. We're told that the probability of Y is equal to 0.4. And 0.4 is that red part inside Y. We're told that probability of X union Y, the complement means everything else, is equal to 0.15. So X union Y is everything inside X and Y. I'm going to just make that green, everything inside there. So outside is the complement of the union set. So that green part is 0.5. So I'm going to put 0.15 down here. I'm going to put, we can't fill 0.6 and 0.4 because they're two sections. Blue overlaps and red overlaps. We want to know what is probability of X intersect Y. Well, see that green part is 0.15. The probability of X union Y and the probability of X union Y, which is the complement, equals 1. Now, this is the green part that I'm talking about. That's the green part. Therefore, the yellow part is everything inside X and Y. That's the yellow part, probably of X union Y. X union Y is when you join X and Y together. It's everything wherever you've shaded inside X and Y. So therefore, if this is 0.15, then this must be 0.85. All right, so we know that the probability of X union Y is going to be 0.85. And we also know that the union part is the probability of A, that's the blue part, plus the probability of B, that's the red part. And because we counted that overlapping area twice, we got to take that away once. That's the intersection. And that will equal the probability of A union B. Oh, sorry. We got X and Y's, all right. So the probability of X and the probability of Y, take away the probability of X intersecting Y, that's the overlapped section up here. I'll just highlight that up here. That's this bit in here. It's going to equal the probability of X union Y. That's the whole thing shaded, which is 0.85. So we know that's 0.85. We know probability of X is 0.6. We know the probability of Y is 0.4. And this is the part we want to find. Well, look at that. If you can do your math here, 0.6 plus 0.4 is 1. This must have to be 0.15. Therefore, the probability of X intersect Y has to equal 0.15. So that is also going to go in here. So we've got a 0.15 in there. We've got a 0.15 in there. By the way, this will be 0.25, so that together they add up to 0.4. This would have to be 0.45. So that both of them add up to be 0.6. And if you add those four numbers up, 0.45 plus 0.15 plus 0.25 plus 0.15 together, that should be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 adds up to 1. Now part B says, what's the probability of not y? Well, I'm going to put that here. If the probability of y is 0.4, the probability of not y is 1 minus the probability of y, which is 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.6. If the probability of y is 0.4, then the probability of not y is 0.6. Can I show you that in this diagram? Can I show you a picture? It would look like this. Just repeat that. There's x. There's y. That's y. That's 0.4. And let's use blue as not y, and everything around that circle is not y. So if I colour in the whole box that stay outside of y, that is 0.6. And inside y, that's 0.4. So the probability of not y, which is the complement of y, is 0.6. All right, I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.